Hi, this is Ray Brooks from Athens Ford. Welcome to the Athens Ford YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new 2021 Mach 1 Mustang. There's a lot of kind of going back and forth on this car. Some people like it, some people don't. Some people think it's a parts bin car. Myself personally, I think when you go into the parts bin and you pull out the very best parts that you've got, you come up with something a little genius. This car's got the 5.0 Coyote engine from the standard GT, but what they did is they put the air intake manifold, cold air intake, and a tune from the GT 350 to maximize the air going into that engine. They also take and did the Brembo brakes, the Magnum ride suspension, and the active valve exhaust is coming out the back. So you're getting the best air in, best air out to get the best performance. So you get an extra 20 horsepower over the standard Mustang GT, so you're at 480 horsepower. And I think they did just a great job. The front end is so much more aggressive than the standard GT to me. I think it's just got so much potential because that 5.0 can hold power. So if you're one of those that wants to, on a budget, get the best bang for the buck, slap some turbos or a supercharger, this car is set and primed for that because it's going to be able to handle that power. Plus, with the upgraded brakes and the tires, you're going to be able to put that power to the ground. So if you're interested in a Mach 1 Mustang, give us a call here at Athens Ford or check out our Facebook page.